In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Zoho Books. This is a great way to personalize your documents and ensure that all your official paperwork reflects your identity, whether for personal or business purposes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the settings in Zoho Books. You can find the gear icon that's located in the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it reveals all the customization options available for you. Now, we're focusing on PDF templates, so once you're in the settings, go ahead and select PDF templates under the customization section. This will bring you to a space where you can modify how your invoices and other documents appear. Next, locate the Invoices section. Once you're there, you'll see a selection of templates. Hover over your preferred template. It's important to pick a template that aligns with your brand aesthetics, since this is the template that will carry your signature. Once you've decided, click Edit. This will allow you to make adjustments specific to this template. With the editing menu open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll notice various sections you can customize, but for adding a signature, we're interested in other details. Click on this section to reveal additional customization options. Here, you'll need to expand an area called Document Summary. This is where the magic happens. Now that you've expanded the Document Summary section, you'll see a variety of options for what can be included in this space. You'll want to look for and check the Signature option. By doing this, you enable the function that allows a signature to be included on this document. The next step is to upload the image of your signature. Below the signature image area, there's an option labeled Upload Your Files. Click on this and select the image file that contains your signature from your computer. Make sure that the image is clear and cropped appropriately so it appears professional and legible on your documents. Once your signature image is uploaded, you'll want to enter a signature name. This could be your full name, your professional title, or something else that's fitting. It's there to clearly indicate what or who the signature represents. And finally, after you've entered all your desired information and are satisfied with how everything looks, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll find the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will ensure that all the customization you've done, including adding your signature, is preserved and applied to your invoices. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature to your Zoho Books invoices, giving them a personalized touch. This is a small but significant step in making sure your documents look professional and consistent. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.